Want to know how to block someone on TikTok app? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to block someone on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the following right below the username. Likewise, tap on any profile you wish to block. Then tap on the arrow sign at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the block option at the third. A confirmation message will appear. Now tap on the block option. So this is how you can block someone on TikTok app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.